is a very nice town. Look at those flats and hotels. Very nice. Like it. Glad we came here. Shed some layers because it's really very hot now. It's barely 12 o'clock and it's an amazing place. I mean, yeah, so very nice, thank you. So yeah, nice walk, sand dunes, good cafes, restaurant, but we need to go and explore more. We know ways. We might come back later and stay here the night. So Puerto Rico, it looks like it's a very expensive looking town. Oh, the ride was amazing. I don't know what went wrong with this bloody GoPro. It would not turn on. I don't know what's the problem with this GoPro. Sometimes it's completely unresponsive. It wouldn't even turn on. But yeah, that looks like that was just only about, I think, 15 miles. But that one, this looks like a nice town. Yeah, this one definitely looks like a bit more, you know, expensive, and you know, the hotel up on the mountains. Wow, those flats and hotels and all that kind of. You can see that up there. Look at that. Leave the bike somewhere safe and then we'll walk. We are still going ahead. This is a very nice town. Look at those flats and hotels. Very nice. Like it. Glad we came here. You missed a ride. It was a beautiful ride. Stunning views. But we can always go back. Not very far. town, much smaller than the one where we went earlier on. Let's see if we can find a parking for motorbike. Where are we going to leave the bike? Ooh, look where we are. We are right at the harbor. Oops. Puerto Rico. I always wanted to go to Puerto Rico. But look, we found Puerto Rico in the Canaries. It's Gran Canaria. And it's a very, I mean, it looks like a posh much. Let me show you a quick view of this. I don't know what's wrong with my GoPro. Okay, so we got a little ferry ride for tourists, and you got these huge hotels built on the side of on the slope of these hills. Look at these, all in white, and they are everywhere wherever you see. Look far ahead. Okay, so leaving the bad boy here. Look at my boots. I thought it was too hot. Just leaving everything here. I'm not gonna touch anything. Just lock the bike and walk around. Let's go. Sports fishing. Oh, that's a nice place. Marina. Very nice. The highway, the road to get here from the place where I was this morning, it's amazing. I missed it because the GoPro wouldn't budge. It's just kind of, you know, went completely dead. But we are here. Nice view of the marina from here. Of course, we are in the middle of the car park, but You get the point. The sun is shining, a bit of clouds coming around, but shouldn't be a problem because they won't stick here too long. Okay, so everybody's queuing up to get onto these tourist boats. Now the thing is, somebody has parked their car right in front of my bike and I need to get going. So let's see how I'm going to get my bike out from here. Let's see. Whose car is this? Now we are heading to a valley called Mogán, and yeah, so maybe that's where we're gonna stay for the night. But yeah, I've been doing a little bit of research, haven't found anything which is, you know, within, you know, my range. Either too expensive or, you know, that they are a little bit too far. So I just want to look around and see if I can find a better place. Here in Puerto Rico it's super expensive to stay here. You can probably might guess, but yeah, let's see how we're going to get out. Okay, so goodbye Puerto Rico for now. So now we are going to Mogán Valley, which is up in the mountain. It's about 10 miles, so 21 minutes of ride from here. So yep, shouldn't be a problem. So let's get out of this. It's a beautiful place though, very expensive. I was looking for some hotels to stay here, but like 200-300 per night. No way, I'm not gonna pay this much. Thank you. Okay, so where are we going? Look at this place. Very nice. Okay, so we get to this little valley. It's apparently a small village in the valley, quite popular, I guess. This showed up when I did some sightseeing research, and yeah, so when we get there, if it's a nice place, if we find somewhere, yeah, I know it's in the mountains, but we're not going that much deep into the mountains, just only 10 miles away from here. But I guess the road to get there is gonna be amazing. I can guess that. Okay, so that was crazy again, but just dropped the GoPro battery cover. So I had to go and get it. Okay, let's go. Luckily, it wasn't a very busy place. Highway road. Yep. Look at this. So apparently we have arrived in Mogán. It was a beautiful ride though. It's a beautiful little village. Got mountains all around. It's beautiful, amazing. Okay, so maybe we can go a little bit further down and see if there is anything interesting. I mean, it looks like they are just only houses and yeah, nice views. There are some hotels, that's why when I was searching it was pretty expensive to find a place here. So let's go see if we can find some viewing spots. Okay, so let's go all the way up. What you don't do is stop on a slope. Now this is going to be very hard for me, so let's take a left. Okay, let's head a little further down. To see what we have here. Okay, looks like a little cafe, but they've got parking here as well, which is great. Let's see what we have got. For the cactus plant, the valley. Oh, the mountains, look at these mountains. Yeah, amazing. Is that somebody's house? Is that somebody's house? Looks like, I don't know. And other than that, yeah, pretty much I got those mountains. So that's where, now, this is where the mountain ride begins, and you know, it goes all the way into further inland into the center part of the Gran Canaria, and of course it's all mountainous like this. Look at these huge mountain. It's a very small village, barely a few, maybe 100 houses here. Okay, so let's go and see if we can get something to eat. Sorry, nice little cafe. Look, they've got these tables on the back of the street, and you can just sit and enjoy the serenity here. Oh, the weather is so nice. The weather is amazing. I wonder if anyone lives there. And how to get there, that's another problem. Well, we're not getting there. Yes, I mean it's a beautiful valley though, but apart from there is not much to see here. Yeah, I mean the nature is all around, but you know this you can find most of the places here in the Canaries. So apart if they were like some viewpoints or something, that would have been, it's like you just go through this little village and pretty much that's it. But it's a beautiful place, so not a problem, no doubt about that. But staying here for the night, I'm not really sure if I want that. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna have a little break, and then I'm gonna head back to the Masa Palama, something like that. I don't know what's the name of that place. It's where you got that Corte Inglés, Porte Inglés, where we had those sand dunes, and yeah, I'll head back there because they were quite a lot of options, and yeah, some they were expensive, but there were also some which were more reasonably priced. So I've seen a couple of those hotels. I'm gonna head back there. It's just I think matter of like 30 minutes ride back, and then because since it is still not even 2 o'clock, so it's half day, just taking it easy. I enjoy the sun here. I'll say I don't know for some time, enjoy the view. Then I'm gonna head back to those sand dunes and go and find some place to stay, and then once I know that it is a place that I'm gonna be staying, then of course I'll be a bit more relaxed, and then I can go around and explore the towns. Ooh, that's a lot. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you. Gracias. Okay. So I thought they were just only. These are Canarian potatoes. Okay, and they are basically boiled potatoes with some sauce on it, and a piece of bread. Right, so that is, so looks nice, and some lemonade would be nice to quench our thirst. Let's give it a try. Okay, Canarian potatoes. Potatoes with some sauce on it. So while I was getting ready, there was a guy came around, looked at the bike. He was very excited. Of course, poor him, he couldn't understand me, I couldn't understand him. He kept talking in Spanish, I kept talking in English. I don't think so we understood each other even a word, but he was pretty excited looking at the bike. So you know, this is what it matters, you know. So let's get back. It's about 19 miles and about half an hour to get back to those sandy dunes